In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Dropbox storage usage. Whether you keep personal photos or manage work projects, knowing how much space you've used helps you plan ahead and avoid surprises. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Dropbox.com. This is the main hub for your account, so if you visit often, consider bookmarking it for quick access. Once the page loads, sign in with your Dropbox credentials. Take a moment to make sure everything is entered correctly, and complete any two-step verification if you're prompted. This ensures a smooth and secure sign-in. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your avatar, which might be your profile photo or your initials. Click that avatar to open a drop-down menu with several account options. From that menu, choose Manage Account. This takes you to your account settings page, where you'll find an overview of key details related to your account. Inside the account settings, locate the subscriptions section. This area is where Dropbox displays your current plan and, most importantly, your storage usage. Here you'll see exactly how much space you've used and how much is still available. The information may be shown as a progress bar, a percentage, or a combination of numbers that make it easy to understand at a glance. If you use a work or team account, the layout might look slightly different, but you'll still find the subscription and usage details within your settings. Reviewing this page regularly is a simple way to stay organized. If you notice you're getting close to your limit, you'll have time to decide whether to tidy up files you no longer need or look into a plan that offers more space. Keeping an eye on your usage helps you avoid syncing issues and prevents those last-minute alerts when you're about to run out. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, going to Dropbox.com, signing in, opening your avatar menu, selecting Manage Account, and checking the Subscriptions section, you can clearly see your Dropbox storage usage and stay in control of your space. Thanks for watching. I hope this walkthrough made it easy to find your storage details and manage your files confidently. If you ever need more space, you can explore Dropbox's available plans from the same area. For further help, browse the Dropbox Help Center or contact their support. Stay organized and enjoy using Dropbox.